In this question, we have to find product of given reaction. So now CCl3 group is attached on benzene ring. CCl3 show reverse hyperconjugation, due to which it withdraw electron from ring. Electron withdrawing group is present, and if electron withdrawing group is present, then it is meta directing. So new bromine will be attached at meta position. So CCl3 and Br is attached at meta position, hence correct answer is A. So A is formed during the reaction. Which of the following compound undergo replacement of Cl by OH group by warming the compound with aqueous NaOH? Now this reaction takes place via SN1 mechanism. Chlorobenzene normally does not react with NaOH, but as number of electron withdrawing groups are added, reaction is possible. If we increase electron withdrawing group at ortho and para position, reaction takes place even at room temperature. But if only one or two nitro groups are present, then we have to heat the reaction mixture to get final product. So if 3 NO2 groups are attached, then reaction will continue still at room temperature, and hence correct answer is D. In this case, we have to find which of the following reaction is not possible. So first, if we take second example, now this is tertiary alkyl halide on reacting with aqueous KOH. This react via SN1 mechanism to form carbocation. Now this carbocation will react with water with OH negative to form tertiary butyl alcohol. So second reaction is feasible. In third case, alcoholic KOH react with tertiary alkyl halide via E2 mechanism. So isopropene is formed. When chlorobenzene is reacted with NaOH at 300 degrees Celsius temperature, 200 atm pressure. Now this is sign substitution, and this is also called benzene mechanism. And this reaction is known as Dow's process. So by this way we can prepare phenol. This reaction is used to prepare phenol. First phenoxide ion is formed, then on treating with water we get phenol. So all the three reactions are feasible, but here in in first case KNS2 strong base is taken, but at beta position no hydrogen atoms are available to remove, so this reaction is not feasible, and hence correct answer is 1, while second, third, fourth reactions are feasible, hence answer 1 is correct. Aryl halide are less reactive towards nucleophilic substitution reaction as compared to alkyl halide. So if we take alkyl halide and aryl halide, now alkyl halide react via both SN1 and SN2 mechanism. If alkyl halide is 3 degree, then reaction takes place via SN1 mechanism. If alkyl halide is 1 degree, then SN2 is possible. But in case of halobenzene, due to presence of resonance, carbon halogen bond is having partial double bond character, due to partial double bond character between carbon halogen bond, neither SN1 nor SN2 reaction is possible. SN1, SN2 both reactions are not possible due to partial double bond character. So correct answer is due to resonance stabilization, halobenzene neither react via SN1 nor via SN2. Which of the following derivative of benzene would undergo hydrolysis most readily with aqueous KOH? Now this reaction takes place via SN2AR mechanism, and rate of reaction depend on stability of carbon ion. So we have chlorobenzene. If OH negative or nucleophile attack at that carbon from which chlorine is attached, pi bond is broken, and now this pi bond shift to adjacent carbon, forming carbon ion. Now this carbon ion is resonance stabilized. Now this negative charge moves to ortho and para position. Now further resonance. So negative charge is present at ortho and para position. Now if electron withdrawing groups are attached at ortho and para position, this will stabilize carbon ion. Finally Cl negative is removed and phenol is formed. Now in case 1, only one electron withdrawing group is present, so it will stabilize but comparatively less. In option B, 3 electron withdrawing groups are present at para position, so all the 3 group will stabilize carbon ion. While in C, 2 groups are present at ortho and para position, so these will stabilize by both minus I and minus M effect, while one is present at beta position and this will only stabilize by minus I effect. While in case of B, all the 3 group will show minus I and minus M effect. So B is most stabilizing, and where most stable carbon ion is formed, rate of reaction is fastest. So correct answer is B. Now this is the case of SN2AR reaction. If dinitrochlorobenzene is taken, now due to polar carbon chlorine bond, nucleophile OH negative will attack to that carbon from which Cl is attached. Now as OH negative attack, carbon-carbon pi bond shifted to adjacent atom, forming carbon ion, which is called Mesenheimer complex. Now this carbon ion is formed. NO2 groups are present at ortho and para position. Now this negative charge is involved in resonance with NO2 group as well as with pi bond, so negative charge is shifted at para position. At this position it is further stabilized by electron withdrawing effect of NO2 group. Now this is shifted to this carbon, so now this negative charge present in this carbon, and finally negative charge is shifted and Cl negative ion is completely removed. So reaction takes place via 2 step. So this is substitution nucleophilic bimolecular. 2 reactants are involved in rate determining step. So reaction is SN2 taking place in aromatic compound, so SN2AR, and finally dinitrophenol is formed as a product. Orthomethoxy bromobenzene is treated with soda lime and then ammonia, the product form is. So now this reaction is the case of SNEA mechanism, in which leaving group is eliminated first, followed by attack of nucleophiles, substitution nucleophilic via elimination, addition. So first we have to take orthomethoxy bromobenzene. So now this molecule is orthomethoxy bromobenzene. Now NaNH2 is taken, and NaNH2 is act as very strong base, sodamide NaNH2, NH2 negative act as very strong base and abstract hydrogen from beta position of leaving group. So after abstracting hydrogen, we get carbon ion intermediate. So now intermediate Br and OCS3 are still attached. Now this carbon ion is formed. Now this negative charge shift to that carbon and Br is eliminated. So we get benzyne intermediate, and so this reaction is also called benzyne mechanism. We get OCS3. Now this intermediate is formed. Now another molecule of ammonia act as a nucleophile. Now this NH2 ammonia or NH2 negative will attack at that carbon from where we get more stable intermediate. So if NH2 attack at this carbon and electron shift to this carbon, now we are getting intermediate which is more stabilized by minus I effect of, this is stabilized by minus effect of OCH3, and NH2 group is attached to this carbon. Now ammonia act as an acid and give H proton, and finally we get meta methoxy aniline as a final product. So correct answer is D. There is another possibility of attack of NH2 negative. NH2 negative may also attack at this carbon. If NH2 negative attack at this carbon, then carbon ion intermediate is formed at this carbon, and NH2 will be attached at ortho position of OCH3. Now this intermediate is comparatively less stable. Reason being, OCH3 is having only minus I effect, and if negative charge is close to group which showing minus I will be comparatively more stable. So this is less stable while this anion is comparatively more stable. So major product is always formed from more stable intermediate, hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to compare rate of SN2AR mechanism in given compound. So if we draw structure of the various molecule, presence of electron withdrawing group increases rate of SN2AR reaction. Rate of SN2AR reaction is directly proportional to presence of electron withdrawing group at ortho or para position. So in first case, methyl group is present, which is in increasing electron density due to plus I and plus H effect. So decreases rate of reaction for SN2AR reaction. OMe is having minus I and plus M effect, but its plus M effect is donating effect, so it also decreases rate of reaction. Cl is weak withdrawing, so this is comparatively more reactive. NO2 is having very strong minus I and very strong minus M effect, overall electron withdrawing. So fourth is most reactive, then 3, then 1, and then 2. Higher the electron withdrawing group, higher is the reactivity for SN2AR reaction, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to find which of the following reaction does not involve benzene intermediate. So if we take first example, now NH2 negative ion is present which act as very strong base and abstract hydrogen from leaving group adjacent to leaving group. So after removal of hydrogen we are getting carbon ion intermediate. Now pair of electrons shifted and Cl negative ion is replaced. So in this reaction there is formation of benzene intermediate. In second example, NH2 negative is very strong base. Now this at adjacent position of Br, one alpha hydrogen is present. So this is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. So one beta hydrogen is still present. Now in this case hydrogen is removed from beta position via formation of carbon ion intermediate. So now this intermediate is formed. This intermediate is formed, now shifted, and Br negative ion is replaced. So this reaction also involve formation of benzene intermediate. In third case, COOH and NH2. So first of all, NaNO2 or HCl react to form HNO2. Now in presence of HNO2, NH2 gets converted to diazonium ion, N2 positive, and this is COO negative ion. Now this electron is shifted and N2 positive and carbon dioxide gas is removed via formation of benzene intermediate. So A, B, C, all the reaction produce benzene radical, while in the option D, CH3Cl and AlCl3 first react to form CH3 positive carbocation. Now this carbocation act as electrophile, react with methyl carbocation to form arenium ion So in this case, rather than benzene, arenium ion is formed. Finally, loss of H positive ion and regeneration of aromaticity. So toluene is formed as a final product. So only in the case of D, benzene intermediate is not involved, and hence correct answer is D. The following reaction occurs through the involvement of benzene intermediate. So if we discuss mechanism of the reaction, now Cl is leaving group. So this is alpha carbon, this is beta carbon. At beta position, hydrogen is present. In presence of a strong base NH2 minus, hydrogen H positive is removed and a carbon ion intermediate is formed. Now negative charge is present adjacent to leaving group. Now this is shifted and Cl is removed, which involve formation of benzene intermediate. Now this reaction is called SNEA, substitution nucleophilic elimination addition, because leaving group is eliminated first, followed by attack of nucleophile NH2 negative. So this is star carbon. Now NH2 have equal possibility to attack on both the carbon, hence there is possibility of formation of two product. If NH2 is attacked on that carbon from which Cl was originally present, then this product is formed. Along with this product, there is possibility of attack of NH2 onto that carbon adjacent to leaving group. So another product this is formed. So both the products are formed in equal quantity and reaction takes place via formation of benzene intermediate, and reaction takes place via SNEA mechanism. Benzene diazonium chloride on reaction with ethanol at low temperature give benzene, and reaction follow simple redox reaction. Benzene diazonium chloride on reacting with ethanol C2H5OH give benzene. So in this case, reduction of benzene diazonium chloride is obtained, while alcohol gets oxidized to aldehyde, and hence correct answer is D. What is the major product obtained in the given reaction? Now this Br is having lone pair which in resonance with benzene ring. So this Br cannot be replaced by SN1 or SN2 reaction, while this Br is attached at aliphatic part which can be easily replaced by nucleophile. So halogen present in aliphatic part is removed via both SN1 and SN2, both type of mechanism is possible. So Br is removed, and finally we get CH2 NH2 benzylamine, and one bromo group is still attached, and hence option A is correct. In this question we have to find product of given reaction. So now this reaction is type of SNEA mechanism. In first step, leaving group is eliminated, then attack of nucleophile. So if we can check mechanism of the reaction, now chlorobenzene, this carbon is starred carbon. Now OH negative is very strong base at high temperature. So OH negative abstract hydrogen proton from beta position of leaving group. Now this is alpha carbon, beta carbon. So Cl carbon ion is formed. Now leaving group is departed with shifting of negative charge, and Benzene intermediate is formed. Now this is start carbon. OH negative carbon, OH negative can attack on both carbon atom at this carbon atom and this carbon atom. So if OH negative attack at that carbon from which leaving group is departed, then OH, this product is formed. If OH attack at adjacent position to that carbon from which leaving group is attached, then OH and this product is obtained. So A and B, both products are formed in the reaction, and hence correct answer is D. In this question we have to find major product of reaction and type of mechanism. So bromo methoxybenzene is taken. Now bromo methoxybenzene. Now Br is leaving group and NaNH2 is very strong base. In fact, it can abstract hydrogen from carbon hydrogen bond. So after removal of H positive ion, it is converted to carbon ion. So now Br double bond NH2 negative OCH3 intermediate is formed. Now Br is eliminated and lone pair are shifted to the carbon between carbon atom. So we get benzene intermediate. So now this benzene intermediate is formed. Now NH2 negative further attack as a nucleophile. So now NH2 negative will attack in such a way that more stable carbon ion intermediate is formed. So NH2 negative will attack to this carbon, due to which negative ion is formed at this position, and now this negative ion is stabilized by minus I effect of methoxy group. So final product meta methoxy aniline is formed as a final product. So correct answer is A, and this reaction follow elimination addition mechanism because leaving group is eliminated first, followed by attack of nucleophile in the given reaction. So this reaction example of electrophilic aromatic substitution. Now phenol COOH and OH, both functional groups are present. Now OH is electron donating and hence it is orthopara directing, while COOH is electron withdrawing, having minus M effect, hence meta position. So now electrophile, now N2 positive pH diphenyl phenyl diazonium ion act as electrophile. Now this electrophile will attack at that position where electron density is maximum. Now this OH ion increases electron density at ortho position, while COOH decreases electron density to its ortho position. So in ortho position of COOH, at meta position of OH group, electron density is decreased, while at ortho position of OH group, electron density is increased. So now electrophile N2 pH will attack at that carbon where electron density is maximum. So N2 electrophile will attach to ortho position of OH group. So this is the final product formed in the reaction, and hence correct answer is B. These two positions are identical. We can add at this position or this position, will get identical compound. In this question we have to find which of the following reaction is feasible. So these are example of SNEA elimination, substitution nucleophilic via elimination addition. For SNEA reaction, beta hydrogen is necessary. So this is Cl. Adjacent to Cl, beta hydrogen atom is present, In presence of strong base NH2 negative, NH2 negative donate pair of electron act as very strong base, so hydrogen of carbon hydrogen bond is removed and carbon ion intermediate is formed. Now this electrons are shifted, Cl negative is removed so that we get benzene intermediate. Now NH2 negative further attack to form another carbon ion. Now this carbon ion abstract hydrogen proton from ammonia, so we get aniline. So aniline is final product in the reaction. So first reaction is feasible. While in other reaction beta hydrogen is not present, and due to lack of beta hydrogen reaction is not feasible. In this molecule also beta hydrogen is not present, so this reaction is also not feasible. In all other options, since beta hydrogen is not present, hence reaction is not possible. So only feasible reaction in case of A, and hence correct answer is A.